Hello, everyone. We made it through our first day. Woohoo! We did it. A lot of you are getting the email from Tara already that you've been invited to her PS28 staff attendance team. We're going to be using Team for attendance and for sharing resources and talking to one another. You can go to Open Microsoft Teams, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a way that you don't have to find this email every time. A lot of you told me that it automatically went to your other or clutter mailbox over here. So just check both, but you honestly do not need the email to get to our team. To get to our team every day, you are going to go to the square of 9 right up here. You're going to click on it and click on Teams. From here, it's going to take you to the last team you left. If you want to see all teams, you go back here. So say this is the wrong team, you don't want to be on this one. Go to all teams. You're going to see the list of your teams. Today I want to show you 2 teams. The first one is going to be attendance. So I'm going to click on the attendance, the one with the pencils. This is going to be the way that we check in the mornings. It seems to be the easiest way for both the teachers and admin to make sure that we are here. There are different channels. So on the side right here are different channels. General, we're not going to be using that much in this platform. Maybe Tara will send us a message, but the channels we are going to be using are these ones. So teachers is where I am. There's also different channels. CyberShift Payroll, F-Status Teachers, Paraprofessionals, School Aides. Say I'm a paraprofessional, I don't want this to be hidden. I'm going to go to Show. All right. I can also, since I am not a paraprofessional and I don't want to see it, I'm going to hide it. Now, each morning by 9 o'clock, you have to go into the channel that is your channel. So if you're a paraprofessional, paraprofessional. If you're a school aide, school aide. I'm going to go to teacher. By 9 o'clock, say here, or hello, or how is everyone doing? Whatever you want to do for your attendance. You're going to send that in. Now it is time marked and day marked, so we have a clear record of what time and when we all signed in. The other thing you have to know is our other channel, which is going to be our communication channel. So I'm going to go back to all teams. I don't know if you've been invited to this one yet, but I think you will be by the end. In PS28 communication, we're going to do more of our talking and our sharing of resources. So this is for attendance. This is going to be for communication. So I'm going to go to PS28 communication. Here is general. This is where Ms. Brizzo, Mr. Quintana, any of the secretaries are going to add notes that we all need to know. In resources, we set up a resource channel where the teachers can share resources that they think that everybody would benefit from and that we should know about. So it really is a great way for us to have an organized list of all the amazing things people are finding, because you guys are, so many people have sent me such great things to share. This would be a great place for us to keep all of that. Tara put it the best. We're going to use Class Dojo to talk about our classrooms and to connect to our parents, and Teams are going to be for our administration to teacher and teacher to teacher, so that we can keep everything separate from the parents, but also together as a team. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Tara or Mr. Q or Ms. Brizzo. Good luck. I think it's going to be a good way to keep everything together. Have a good one, guys. Good luck tomorrow.